Welcome to Canyon Rim Community here in Bay Ho. This townhome with 2-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage has everything you need. Natural light fills every corner of this house, a spacious deck overlooking beautifully landscaped grounds and a quiet, pet-friendly neighborhood. This kitchen shines with quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. Canyon Rim offers ample amenities, including a solar heated pool, spa, lighted tennis courts and pickleball courts, a clubhouse, and barbecue facilities. Located just 5 miles from the beach and close to shopping, dining, and freeways, this home offers the best of tranquility and accessibility. Welcome home to Canyon Rim.